today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is local agencies. So we have local agencies like village panchayat and municipal corporation. Village panchayat आपको village areas में दिखेगी, municipal corporation cities और towns में देखने को मिलती है. Now found out who is the mayor of our city and you have to write 3 sentences about him or her. Right? So all of us, you know that India is a big country and there are many villages, towns and cities in India. Right? A number of people live there and they have some basic needs like drinking water, electricity, hospitals, schools, roads, and they have to be fulfilled. No single person can perform this work, so this work is done by the group of some people. So what we call them in villages is group को क्या कहते हैं ग्राम पंचायत, and in cities this group is called municipal corporation. Cities में हम इस group को क्या कहते हैं municipal corporation. Now village panchayat, the member who elect the panchayat should at least 18 years old. The members of the village panchayat हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं पंच कहते हैं, right? And should have at least one woman member. These पंच elect their head, जिनको हम सरपंच कहते हैं, प्रधान कहते हैं. Every big village has a village panchayat. If the village is not very big, we have 2 or 3 villages और share करते हैं हम उनकी village पंचायत को. They too, like the municipal corporation, work for the betterment of their life. They get roads and drains constructed. They also make water available for the people of the village, right? So the village panchayat, what it's do? It's appoint people, it sweeps roads and keep the village clean. They arrange for lighting in the street. The money is needed for the purpose is collected from the village. And even we have state governments जो help करती है villages को. If there are disputes for fighting among the villages, the panchayat comes forward and they help them to settle their problem. So the state governments and gram sevak, gram sevika, who educate villagers regarding better crop and new ways of farming, they also educate them how to improve their living condition. कैसे हम living condition को improve कर सकते हैं. Next we have municipal corporation. Its work in cities and its members are elected by the people of the cities. Anyone who is 18 years of age, जिनकी एज कितनी 18 ईयर है, वो वोट कर सकता है. उनको वेरियस सेक्शन में हमने डिवाइड कर, इसको हम वार्ड्स कहते हैं. हर एक वार्ड में इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स होते हैं हु इज इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ द वार्ड, जिनको हम इलेक्ट करते हैं बाय द पीपल ऑफ वार्ड. Each municipal corporation must have at least one lady member. In small cities, municipal corporation को क्या बोला जाता है? Municipal committee, right? The head of municipal corporation is mayor and that of municipal committee is called chairman. और municipal committee का member कौन होता है? Chairman होता है. The member of the corporation are called councillor. जो member होते हैं ना corporations को हम councillor कहते हैं. These municipal corporation and committees work for the people of their cities and town. What it arranges: safe drinking water, get road constructed, arrange for street light. It helps to run health centers, hospital and dispensary. It helps run schools, library, homes for disabled, register all the births and deaths in the cities. ये local transport available करता है for the people and we get money for the running of these facilities. Like by the means of house tax, हम road tax, water tax ये सब pay कर रहे हैं. Sometimes it also gets help from the government और government भी help करती है, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.